Hi lovelies, what's happening? What's popping? So today I have a hygiene shopping to do. So I want to take you guys along with me while I shop and show you some things I got and some things I saw in the supermarket. So let's go guys. So um the noise at the supermarket was so much, so I have to do a voiceover. So you can see me showing you some Dove body washes. I saw a lot of different types of Dove body washes, and I cannot even wait to try most of them. I picked a few, so then I'm showing you like the palm olive, St. Ives. I was saying that I'd not used that vanilla and oat milk, and that would be a nice one to try. I feel like the scent would be nice. So you can see some Irish Spring. So you can see that Ole wash. I've not tried that before, but it's something I was hoping to try. I just saw it for the first time. You can see other Ole body washes. So now I've seen like the Dr. Teal body wash. I saw a variety of them, like almost all of them. And now this is like the foaming bath. There are lots of varieties when it came to the Dr. Teal body wash and the soaking bath. So I really saw a lot of varieties for that one, which I was really excited. So next is the Dove bath soap. That was like 4 in 1, and I was saying that I would have preferred the 2 in 1. I still got yeah, that's just the single one, and I got that which I like. So that's Dial, different ones. We have the Vaseline, and now this like the Nivea stand I went to. There are lots of different types of Nivea. That's the Nourishing cocoa butter. So later in the video you see the ones that I picked, and I like the one I picked. The ones I picked. So I was just showing you some Nivea products that you could try. Look at the other side. They have like the vanilla, the soft, the small tube. So they have the vanilla, they have the red cherry, is it the blossom, something like that. So you can see the vanilla. I was trying to show you guys. Also showing you some deodorants. I was actually looking for aluminium free one. I didn't see, so I didn't pick any deodorants because I was looking for the aluminium free one, but I didn't see. But I'm just showing you like options because I don't really use these ones. So I found this Dove. I had not seen it before. I found this Vaseline. I had also not seen this before. I think I'll try. I have actually tried this Palmer and I like it. I tried it years back and I like it. It keeps my body shiny and hydrated. I like this one. I really like it. So next you see me, I saw the Dr. Teal's body scrub, and I got one of it, but you have to stay tuned to see the one I got. See, we have the different ones. I stumbled across this Aveeno stress relief moisturizing lotion. Aveeno is very good if you have sensitive skin. This is their daily moisturizer lotion, which I also saw. So I'll just show you like other lotions you could try out. I'm also going to be trying out one after the other. So that's it. I saw some Dove, like really, really lovely Doves that I really want to try. I picked out some too. There were lots of ranges when it had to do with Dove, and I can't wait to try most of them, like almost all of them. There were really some I really liked. So I'll still go back and pick some, but I still picked one or two. So just stay tuned. You see the ones I picked, guys. You will see them. So I am back. I'm back from the supermarket. Oh my god, today was something else. The sun, the traffic, it was crazy. Like it was something else. But thankfully, I'm back. You might even see from my face that I'm stressed, but I'm back. So I got a few things, and I'm happy with some of the things I got. Some of the things I went for, I didn't see it, and where I can get it again is a bit far. But for now, I got some of these things, so I want to show you what I got from the supermarket. So first up is my. Let's start with. Let's start like normal, like when you want to have your bath, how you start. So let's start with the bar soap. So um I've started double cleansing. So what I mean by double cleansing is like I wash my body twice. I don't usually do that before, but now a friend of mine told me about it. Like you should wash your body twice. Like when you wash the first time, you wash again. For me, I was just like just wash for make sure everywhere is okay. You know, scrub and scrub, then you go. But now I'm double cleansing, so I got bar soap to use first. then after my bar soap, because I noticed funny enough, why I even got the bar soap, because I noticed that most of the time with this body washes, when I wash myself, my body already feels silky. So I decided to start using the bar soap first, so my body feels like squeaky clean before I go in with my body washes that have all the fragrances. So I want to go with a bar soap that will make me feel clean. Then I go on with body wash. So the bar soap I got today is this one. Can you see it? So this is the Dove Pink for smooth, soft skin. It's a gentle cleanser. I say sulfates free. It's two in one. So there are two bars here. So I'll be using this one first. Then before I go in with my body wash and all that. So first is the Dove. I got this. Then for body scrub, I was looking for the Dove. I couldn't see the Dove. I looked for Tree Hot. I couldn't see Tree Hot, but I saw this Dr. Teal Salt Scrub, Restore and Replenish with pure Epsom salt and essential oil. So it has bergamot and sweet orange essential oil to soothe the senses. So here it is. Let me open it. No, I've not used it before. It's a bit thick. It runs down, but it's not that bad. So I've not used it before. I'm going to try it and I'll let you guys know. I'll try that. I'll let you. I like the scent too. It's not so strong. It's just okay. The fragrance is just okay. It's not so strong. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. And next, I got the normal African sponge. And once I feel like my old one is a bit soft, I just change it so I don't waste time. So I got this one. For my body washes, I got two. For my body washes, I got two body washes, and they are from Dove. I got the Dove Purifying Detox. It has zero sulfates. This is with green clay. Cleans daily toxins from urban environment. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It smells earthy. It smells like green, like leaf, like plants. Yeah, that's how it smells. It's not bad. It's like all these clay maps. It smells like that. That's how I feel like it smells. That's not bad. It's already a purifying detox, so it's meant to be that way, I guess. And next I got the Dove Relaxing Zero Sulfates. So this is with jasmine petals and coconut milk. Relaxes and rebalances. So this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I like this one. I like this one. Can't wait to try it. I like this one. I really do like this one. So up next is my lotion, my body lotion. So first I got the Nivea all-in lotion vanilla and almond oil, gentle vanilla scent and quick absorption, hopefully for normal to dry skin. Hopefully it absorbs and I don't feel hot. Let me perceive it. Just there, nothing serious about it. So let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks. Next I got the Dove Nourishing Secret. This is the Restoring Ritual Body Lotion with coconut milk and with coconut oil and almond milk. This is what it looks like. I like the smell. I like the smell. I really do love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So next up, yes, I got the Shaw for my deodorant. Shaw Shower. This is the Shaw Shower Fresh. I got this one. Remember in my last video, I told you that I don't use deodorant often, and that's true. I don't use deodorant often. So what I do is when I'm going out, like today I went out and it was sunny, I knew I was going to go out, I'll use the deodorant. But when I'm at home, I use lemon or lime most of the time. If you don't have lemon or lime, you can always, if you don't use lemon, you can always buy a natural deodorant. I'm going to leave like pictures of natural deodorant on the screen. I was actually looking for one so that I'll be able to show you guys, but I didn't see. I was looking for the Arm & Hammer. I didn't see. I was looking for the Dr. Teal's. I didn't see. I even tried shopping online for it. There was one store I always knew that I can see. They told me it was not available. I don't know. I think people are just buying it quick. I've seen it somewhere else, but I was in a rush that day, so I couldn't get it. But I'm going to leave like examples of natural deodorant on the screen so you can get it if you want. That is also a very good remedy once you shave, you know, and all that. So guys, after that I got this Victoria's Secret Candy Baby fragrance mist. I love the smell. It smells like sweets and I like it. It smells like series of sweets. Yeah, sweet and sugar. That's how it smells like. So this is a sugar squirrel mango explosion glazed over. This is how it looks. I like the scent. I really. So guys, remember in my last video also I spoke about, I told you I got, when I was telling you about the panty liners I told you I got the Morphe one, but there's this other one I usually get, which is something intimate, and I got it. That is the Pretty Intimate. This is 30 in 1. Provides clean, dry protection, normal. So this is the one I'm talking about. It's very flat. You won't even notice you're wearing a pant liner. This is one I go with all the time. So if I don't see this one, I go back to that one. I got 2 of it and normal. Yeah, I got 2 of this one. Then I got 4 because the weather is seriously dry this period, and for my lip balm I'm always using the Nivea. I think I showed it. No, I've not showed it, but I'm always using the Nivea lip balm because I like it and it's easy to carry. So I got a new one because mine is almost like it's almost done. I'm even going to show you how it looks like. It's really. Where did I keep it? Like it's almost, in fact, it's almost done. So I had to get a new one. So I got this one. This is a Nivea 24-hour melt-in moisture Blackberry shine with natural oils. Let me show you guys. So this is it. They have different fragrances and different types. I like this one. I like this Blackberry shine. Why? Because when I rub it, it gives me color. Like it has a tint to it. So some days I don't feel like rubbing any lipstick. If once I rub this, I'm good to go. It has a tint to it. But I've used one other one. I think the strawberry one is also nice, but it doesn't have any tint to it. But this Blackberry one has a tint to it, like a pink, just a light pink tint to it, and you like it. I like it. It says 24 hours. It's not 24 hours, but you can always reapply and reapply. So guys, the last but not the least, I spoke about this one also in my last video. I thought I was going to get it this time around, and I did. And that is the Johnson Aloe and Vitamin E Oil Gel. This is how it looks. So this is the one I told you I was going to try. I told you I tried the Vaseline, but I have not tried this one. So I just got this one, and I'm going to try it. I'll give maybe in my next hygiene haul, I'm going to give you feedback. And I'm also going to, like, towards the end of the month, I think, I'll tell you how I enjoyed using some of these products. Yeah, 2022, you're all about your skincare, your body care, that game. Stick with me, guys. I'll be showing you what I'm using, what is working for me. Like I said, my skin is not that bad, but I'm all about the fragrances, the scents, and I just want to feel good. So if you love this kind of thing, stick around my channel, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and we are good to go. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video, share with your friends, share with anyone that you would love to see this video, and I really appreciate it. So to my next video, guys, I love you, lovelies. Take care. Bye.